Welcome back to Modern Pulse, your go-to destination for the latest in automotive excellence. Today, we're diving deep into the aggressive and sporty exterior of the 2026 Hyundai Venue N-Line, a compact SUV that merges Hyundai's rally-inspired performance with urban versatility. This model builds upon the Venue's already stylish foundation but cranks up the attitude with a more dynamic and performance-driven design. The 2026 Hyundai Venue N-Line showcases a bold and aerodynamic stance, reflecting Hyundai's progressive design philosophy. Right from the front, the aggressive blacked-out grille with the signature N badging instantly commands attention. This honeycomb-patterned grille not only enhances airflow but also adds a touch of sportiness that distinguishes the N-Line from the standard Venue. Flanking the grille are the sharp LED projector headlamps with integrated LED DRLs that give the SUV a sleek yet menacing front profile. Moving to the bumper, Hyundai has redesigned it with larger air intakes, emphasizing its motorsport DNA. The sculpted hood features subtle character lines that flow seamlessly into the A-pillars, enhancing the Venue's muscular appearance. To further amplify its aggressive persona, the lower bumper gets a silver skid plate, hinting at its rugged capabilities. From the side, the Venue N-Line continues to impress with its sculpted body lines and flared wheel arches. The dynamic shoulder line runs the entire length of the car, giving it a more elongated and aerodynamic look. Exclusive to the N-Line trim are the striking 17-inch diamond-cut alloy wheels with an N-branded center cap. These wheels not only add to the SUV's sporty aesthetic but also improve handling and stability. The blacked-out ORVMs and roof rails enhance the contrast, especially when paired with Hyundai's signature two-tone color schemes. Adding to its aggressive profile are the side skirts with red accents, a hallmark of Hyundai's N division. The subtle yet distinctive badging on the front fenders signifies that this is no ordinary Venue, it's engineered for enthusiasts. The rear of the 2026 Venue N-Line is just as striking as the front. The LED taillights feature a connected light bar that spans the width of the tailgate, giving it a futuristic and premium appeal. The roof-mounted spoiler with integrated brake lights further enhances the SUV's aerodynamic efficiency while adding a touch of sportiness. One of the most noticeable upgrades in the rear is the redesigned bumper with a dual-tip chrome exhaust, which not only enhances the aggressive styling but also delivers a more exhilarating exhaust note. Completing the bold look is a rear diffuser with red inserts, reinforcing the Venue N-Line's motorsport-inspired design. Hyundai offers an exciting range of color options for the 2026 Venue N-Line, including exclusive shades that complement its sporty character. Popular choices include Phantom Black, Polar White with a contrasting black roof, and the eye-catching Shadow Gray. These color combinations accentuate the vehicle's bold lines and aggressive stance. The 2026 Hyundai Venue N-Line is a true testament to Hyundai's ability to blend performance-oriented styling with urban practicality. Its aggressive front fascia, dynamic side profile, and bold rear design make it stand out in the crowded compact SUV segment. Whether you're cruising through the city or making a statement on the highway, the Venue N-Line ensures you do it in style. That wraps up our in-depth look at the exterior of the 2026 Hyundai Venue N-Line. If you enjoyed this breakdown, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to Modern Pulse for more exclusive automotive content. Let us know in the comments what you think about this sporty SUV, and stay tuned for our next deep dive into the world of cars. See you in the next video.